Here, so for this video I'm gonna make a very short video on matrices, right? So I'm gonna use a few examples that I know. Now there are many types of matrix, or even some call that boards, right? So 2 by 2 is the simplest, shortest, and probably the fastest, but you can really get to big numbers with just 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so I'm going to use this example just to describe the fundamentals of stacking. Now in the past, you always have a lot of frontline let's say recruits, or you sponsor them wide. Okay, lots of front lines. Now that wouldn't work because each particular group is an individual group. So this group has got nothing to do with the second group, nothing to do with the third, fourth, fifth, eighth group, whatever, because they are all mistress legs. Okay, so imagine this is your primary family. Any secondary leg will be your mistress leg, so called, because you have to spend time there. Okay, so now let me show you how this thing works. Now by using Cyberswarm concept, we want to make it happen for the direct. Okay, so I use a green box here. Everybody has a direct. Okay, so imagine you have a second direct, that also is a direct. Okay, but let's leave the second leg first. We'll just concentrate on the first leg. So if we're going to make it happen for the direct, let's look at the direct scenario, because the direct also has another front line called Steve. Okay, so here is Steve in the red box, and we're going to make it happen for the frontline direct called Steve. So we want to give the first fish away, and then the replication goes like that. So I use Charletta's link to sign up Karen. Okay, and then Graham used Karen's link to sign up. So you can see Steve is given Charletta because Charletta has to use Steve's link to sign up. Karen has to use Charletta's link. Graham has to use Karen's link. And then everybody, because if it's like say in this case a 5 by 4 matrix, then everybody would have to promote those who are not 4D, promote the next person's or rather last person's link. Okay, this person, new person, got to use Graham's link to sign up. So by going down, you can see this is a tap route. Okay, the tap route will go fast because everybody has to go down 4D. Okay, so it's almost like a teamwork. Okay, so you don't want to go all the way to the 8th level yourself, but say for example Steve in this case, right? So you want to come and give the second fish to Steve. First fish, second fish. Okay, look at the blue box. Now in this particular pay plan, this is a 50% commission. Okay, this one here is also a 50% commission. So if 50% times 2, you have 100%. That makes Steve's product free. Okay, so this is a basic concept. Now you may not understand it first time, but the people have kind of understood this particular concept and they start to run with it. Okay, so if I could just briefly show you that the side route that you create the same thing, because now Steve and Cher will have to promote Cher's link to the next person. Okay, so the next person got to use Cher's link, and then the next person's link is being promoted and goes down. So the side route becomes actually the tap route. Okay, and then again the side route comes out, and then it repeats itself, because 2 is the minimum multiplier. Okay, I wish this one has got space so I can put it on this side. So basically 2 is the multiplier, and then it starts branching out, and then that's how we're going to fill up the matrix, one at a time, and also a row at a time. And then that is also the way we fill up the whole stadium. Now let me see another diagram. Okay, this one is another pictorial showing the same thing, just a little bit more elaborate. So now you have that direct A, okay, A, B, C, D, E, 5 wide, okay, 5 across. And then you have Steve signing up under the direct A's link. Charletta using Steve's link, Karen using Charletta's link, Joe using Karen's link, and you go on promoting the next person, right? So very soon you're going to see your second leg coming out. Okay, so there's first fish given away, 2 fish given away. So by giving 2 fish away, we actually solve 2 problems. The mental block inside the head is I don't have money. Okay, that's first objection. And then I cannot find 2 people. So by giving away 2 fish, we actually make it happen, and then the downline got to be trained. This is the first downline, and this is second downline. So we want to train 2 more below our direct. So when you train 2 more below the direct, this system will not stop because everybody is driving it down deeper and deeper. Okay, so the same thing here. This is the second leg of direct A, and the same thing happens, and the same side branch comes out, and then fill up this way. So basically 780 people is very small group. Okay, so if you talk about 12 people each, okay, I'm going to show you 5 times 12 means 12 contacts each. That's 60 times 12 is 720. Already we are very close to the max out population of the 5 by 4 matrix. Okay, so again you can see this matrix is pretty easy to understand. Let me just pause to find the next slide. Okay, so 3 by 8 is basically going down further, down to the 8th level. Okay, so now you're computing with 3 across and then 8 deep. Okay, so you can see here we got a lot more rooms, but look at the population on the 8th level. It's 6,000 over people, and the total of the 3 by 8 is 9,800 people. Okay, now we're going to proceed now to the next one, which is 4 by 12. One sec. At a 4 by 12 matrix, and it's a very deep one. Okay, so I believe we are live, and then we are doing the 4 by 12 matrix here. So you can see on the 12th level, this is over 60 million people. But if you add up the whole 12 levels, the total will be 22 million, over 22 million people. Okay, so this 4 by 12 matrix is huge. Okay, but it doesn't stop there, because the VT plan actually calls for unlimited width and infinite depth. It means that if we continue to go deep beyond, let's say, the 12 level, the number can get huge. Let me show you what I mean. A 5 by 12 matrix is over 225 million people. Okay, and a 6 by 12 is not even calculatable by the calculator. It is over 2.6 billion people. That means 7 by 12 would probably go past the world population. So anyhow, the point here is they are preparing a huge massive, let's say, platform for a lot of people to come in. So this being said, it gives you an idea how to fill up the matrices. Okay,